Welcome back, guys. I'm Steve, and today we are in the Tech Room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be featuring the best office and productivity laptops. If your laptop feels like it's holding you back instead of helping you crush your work, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the best office and productivity laptops that can handle everything from spreadsheets to creative projects without breaking a sweat. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So let's get started. The fifth office and productivity laptop on our list is the Asus Vivobook 16X1605, priced at $500, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. No dedicated GPU here, you're getting integrated Intel graphics, either Iris Xe-G7 with 80 execution units pushing around 1.4 to 1.5 T-flops, or Intel UHD on lower configs. CPU options range from Core i5 1235U up to Core i7 13700H, a 14-core beast with 20 threads hitting 5.0 GHz boost. The H-series chips use Raptor Lake architecture with those performance and efficiency cores working together nicely. RAM is DDR4 at 3200 MHz, either 8 gigs or 16 gigs, upgradable to 24 gigs max, and storage is PCIe 3.0, NVMe from 512 gigabytes to 1 terabyte. The 16-inch display comes in WUX GAIPS at 1920 by 1200 or OLED if you want deeper blacks. Battery is 42 watt-hour on base models or 50 watt-hour on others, decent for light work but not all-day sessions. Cooling uses Asus's Iceblade fan with dual vents, keeping things quiet under normal loads. Build is plastic but sturdy, weighs 1.88 kilograms, so it's portable but not ultralight. Connectivity includes USB-C 3.2 Gen 1 with power delivery, 2 USB-A 3.2 ports, USB 2.0, HDMI out, headphone jack, and Wi-Fi 6 or 6E depending on config. Main limitation is that integrated GPU means no gaming or heavy rendering. Our team recommends this for productivity, document work, spreadsheets, or video calls. The fourth office and productivity laptop on our list is the HP OmniBook 5 AI PC, priced at $549.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. The GPU is a Qualcomm Adreno X145 running at 280 MHz, delivering just 1.7 T-flops, but it's integrated in the system on chip, pulling around 23 watts total. The CPU, though, is where it shines. Snapdragon X plus X1P 42100 with 8 Orion cores on 4nm architecture, hitting 3.4 GHz boost with 30 MB cache, plus a 45 TOPS NPU for AI tasks, making this a Copilot Plus PC. Memory is 16 GB with 135 GB per second bandwidth. Storage is 256 GB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe upgradable to 1 terabyte. The 14-inch 2K OLED display at 1920 by 1200 is gorgeous, 300 nits brightness with 0.2 millisecond response time. Battery life is absolutely insane at up to 34 hours. Local video charges 50% in 30 minutes thanks to ARM efficiency. Cooling is passive, so it runs dead silent, which is amazing. Build is super thin at 1.3 kilogram with recycled materials, very portable. Ports include USB-C with power delivery, USB-A, headphone jack, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3, but no Thunderbolt since it's ARM. However, the GPU can't handle graphics work, and some Windows apps still have ARM compatibility issues. Our team recommends this for web work, office apps, and media consumption. That battery life and silent operation make this a legit productivity machine. The third office and productivity laptop on our list is the Lenovo ThinkPad X9 Aura Edition, priced at $992.07, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This one is wild because Lenovo ditched the track point, which is bold for a ThinkPad. The GPU is Intel Arc 140V integrated graphics, pulling around 4 to 4.2 T-flops with 8x E2 cores on 3nm. The whole Lunar Lake package draws 20 to 37 watts with roughly half going to graphics. Way better than older Intel integrated, handles light gaming at 1080p, low settings. CPU is the Core Ultra 7 258V with 8 cores, 4 performance Lion Cove and 4 efficiency SkyMont cores, no hyper-threading, so 8 threads total, hitting 3.7 GHz boost with 30 MB cache. The NPU delivers 48 TOPS for AI, making this a Copilot plus PC. Memory is at 16 or 32 GB, memory on package design, so zero upgradability but insanely fast. Storage is PCIe 4.0 NVMe from 256 GB to 2 TB, uses smaller 2242 form factor SSDs. The 15.3-inch display is a stunning 2880 by 1800 OLED at 120 Hz with 500 nits brightness and dynamic refresh. Absolutely gorgeous. Battery life is incredible. The 80 watt-hour battery lasted nearly 11 hours in productivity tests. Cooling uses dual fans that stay off during light loads, ramping to 42 decibels under stress, passive most of the time. Build is premium aluminum at just 1.4 kilogram and 12.9 millimeter thin. Ports include 2 Thunderbolt 4, USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, HDMI 2.1, headphone jack, Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. Take note, it has non-upgradable memory and smaller SSD form factor. Our team recommends this for those needing premium, ultra-portable with incredible battery life, gorgeous OLED, and solid AI performance for business and productivity work. The second office and productivity laptop on our list is the
Acer Swift Go 14.
SFG 147373VB, priced at $1,068, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This one packs an Intel Core Ultra 7 155H, a 16-core hybrid CPU that balances performance and efficiency, perfect for multitasking. The GPU is Intel Arc, integrated with shared memory instead of dedicated VRAM. It's not meant for heavy gaming, but it handles light video editing, design, and productivity apps smoothly. Arc's architecture brings hybrid workload optimization, AI acceleration, and decent graphics efficiency. Cooling is solid for its class, temperatures spike under heavy loads, but the fans stay reasonably quiet. The 14-inch OLED display is 2.8K, 16:10 ratio, 90 Hz, offering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and wide viewing angles, perfect for long work sessions. Build quality is premium yet lightweight at 1.32 kilogram, making it portable. Battery life is 65 watt-hour, lasting around 10 hours depending on usage. Storage is 512 GB NVMe Gen 4 SSD. RAM is 16 GB LPDDR5X fast, but soldered, so no upgrades. Connectivity is strong with 2 USB-A, 2 USB 4 Type-C, HDMI, microSD, and killer Wi-Fi 7 for fast networking. The only limitation is that the shared graphics memory and fixed RAM may constrain power users or heavy GPU workloads. Our team recommends this for creators and designers who do light to medium video editing, digital art, or photo editing. The Arc graphics and CPU give you just enough power without needing a full gaming GPU. The best office and productivity laptop on our list is the ProArt P16 H7606, priced at $2,899.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. Under the hood, it rocks an AMD Ryzen AI9 HX370, 12 cores, 24 threads, plus an NPU that can do up to 50 TOPS for AI stuff. On the graphics side, you can get it with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU with up to 24 GB of GDDR7 VRAM, which means 3D video editing, and other GPU-heavy tasks are no problem. The GPU is based on NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture, so you get next-gen ray tracing, DLSS4, and some nice AI boosts. Cooling is solid thanks to a tri-fan vapor chamber system, and even under heavy load, it doesn't scream like some gaming laptops. The 16-inch 4K OLED display is gorgeous. 16:10, HDR ready, Pantone validated, basically perfect if you care about color accuracy. Build quality feels premium, and it's still manageable to carry at about 1.95 kilogram. Battery is 90 watt-hour, which is fine for light work, but don't expect to go all day if you're hammering it with AI or GPU stuff. Storage comes via dual M.2 PCIe 4.0 SSDs, and RAM can go up to 64 gigabytes, but it's soldered in, so choose wisely. It has plenty of ports, such as USB 4, USB-C, USB-A, HDMI 2.1, SD Express 7.0, plus Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4L. Now, at around 1.95 kilogram and a 16-inch chassis, it's not the most portable option if you're someone who travels a lot or wants a truly lightweight Ultrabook. It's more of a portable desktop than an on-the-go laptop. Our team recommends this for creative professionals, such as video editors, 3D artists, and motion designers who need serious workstation-level graphics in a laptop. And there you have it, folks, the best office and productivity laptops. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Steve signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.